Hello. Today I am going to show you how to solve the WhatsApp notification error. When we do not receive notifications or when all messages arrive at once as soon as we enter the application. In my case, I can solve it in the following way, which I will show you. Besides that, I will also show you other options that you can try out for yourselves. In case the first option I am showing you does not work, the first option is to check if WhatsApp notification is enabled within the application, not just the Do Not Disturb button. To do this, we will go to the phone settings, then to Applications, find the WhatsApp application, and enter the Notifications tab. Here we will see the different types of notifications we can receive, and if any are deactivated, we simply activate them. Another option is to check that all general WhatsApp notifications are also enabled. To do this, we just touch to activate. This should be enough for you to receive notifications. Another option is to check that the Data Saver option is not enabled. To do this, we will swipe down the notification menu, move to the Data Saver option, and if it is enabled, we can disable it or select Data without restrictions if we want to keep it activated. Then we will find the WhatsApp application and activate it, ensuring that despite having active data, WhatsApp will be one of the applications that is not restricted and thus the messages will arrive. If none of these options work, you can check if Battery Saver is active. This option usually restricts some applications, similar to how Data Saver does it. To check this, we will access the configuration of this option and enter Battery Usage. Here we will swipe until we reach the WhatsApp application, and where it says Optimized, we simply select Without Restrictions. This ensures that messages will arrive even if we have low battery and this option is activated. Another option you can try, in case none of the above options work, is to check in the Google Play Store if you have the latest WhatsApp update. If there is an update available, just update it and the error should be solved. Finally, you can try clearing the application cache. Just touch Clear Cache, restart your phone, and that should be enough. Applying these options that we have just seen is how we can solve the problem with WhatsApp notifications when messages only arrive when we open the application. If none of these options work, I will leave a web article with many more alternatives and solutions to this notification error. So, if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I am Sebas from Balmatech, and we will see each other in the next video. See you later.